Hello, thank you for coming today. I know your time is valuable, so I will get to the point. What I want to do is show the benefits of our organization giving back to the community as well as our employees. What I think we could do is increase employee contributions to charity, and we can do this by implementing Charity Jeans Day every Friday. So if an employee makes a cash donation, they will be given an opportunity on Fridays to wear jeans. How can we as an organization do more to give back to the community? Are we doing enough, or are we just doing the bare minimum? Getting our name in the community does more than just give us good publicity. It helps to vitalize and grow the community in which we serve. If we help hungry kids, we help pave the way for our future. We can help veterans, we can help the homeless, we can help the elderly. But what are our employees doing currently to give back to the community? Currently, only 60% of our employees are giving back to the community. Some of the ways that they are contributing is through payroll deductions for the United Way, volunteering at the St. Pete Free Clinic, building homes with Habitat for Humanity. There are multiple boards that we have employees sitting on. An example is PARC, but that's just to name a few. How can we do more? We could put the word out to the employees about opportunities to wear jeans on Friday, and doing so, helping the charity of their choice. We could do recognitions and raffles on a quarterly basis for our top contributors. We can do an employee kickoff where leadership will drive this initiative, and employees will see that if the top of the house is interested, this could be something they could be a part of. If we keep the status quo, it is okay because as an organization, we are doing something, which is nothing. Contribute, the world is our oyster. We could build morale, make fun work on Fridays, and help those that are less fortunate than us. By helping to expand our support of the community we serve and helping to achieve harmony in the workplace is what we can use as our driving force to get the buy-in from our employees. Not only does the concept of Jeans for Charity help morale and strengthen us in the community, it can also help the organization with our Community Reinvestment Act ratings. And as you know, those ratings are important when we want to acquire banks, if we want to grow. This recommendation gives management and employees the option to come together and grow on a personal level. Some of the benefits and the risks. These are your benefits. So if we did a pilot of this program and we just include our 3 corporate offices, yearly, just from these 4 locations, we would be able to donate $17,760. If we had the whole market participating at $5 a week for 1 year, we could give $34,080 to one charity, to multiple charities. That is no small sum of money. Think of the homeless people that would feed, the children in Pinellas County that are starving. This is an amazing amount of money, and it is attainable. It's not something that is unattainable. So some of the risks is if you all do not like this idea and then the team is unhappy, or management, you all love the idea, but I am unsuccessful in receiving 100% participation, which I'm not really sure we're going to have any trouble getting the employees on board. I think the biggest risk we will face is getting employees to agree on which charities we will contribute to. So my recommendation call to action is, with y'all's approval, I would like to roll out Jeans for Charity program. The program will be rolled out at a team town hall. We will first leave some breadcrumbs leading up to the big reveal. Emails, maybe we can send little individual flyers out. The program rules will be that if you want to wear jeans on Friday, you will have to make a donation of a minimum of $5. When the employee makes their donation, they will receive a sticker that states that they donated at that time. Then they can recommend where they think the funds should go. We will keep a record of money donated and the suggested charities. We will then form a charity board who will meet quarterly to decide where the previous quarter donations will be donated. The board will consist of management and staff. The suggestions will come from the employees, but the board will make the final decision. I thank you for your time and your consideration, and we will reconvene in 1 week for your final answer. Thank you so much.